Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I did this smoky wing liner without using any liner, without using any gel liner. So let's see. I'm going to use these brushes. So this one is small blending brush. This one is big blending brush. This one is angular brush and this is for concealing. First, let's apply some concealer on our eyelid. Now I'll conceal. Now I'll lock with some loose powder. I'm using this palette from Morphe. So let me show you the shades. There are mostly nudes and glitters. I'm taking the big blending brush. I'll go with this brown named Silk Cream, and I'll just apply on my outer corners and blend like this. What we are gonna do is we'll make the wing from eyeshadow only, like this. Like this. With small blending brush, I'll take a little bit darker shade and now with the small blending brush only, I'll take this shade, this light shade for inner corners. Now we'll just simply take this angular brush and a dark shade. I'll go with you can use black also, but I'll go with dark brown for the wing, smoky wing. And what we want to do is this. Can you see? Done. So I'm done with both the sides. And this was the smoky liner without using liner or without using gel liner, without using any kajal. We did this. This is the final look. Eyes are looking so pretty, guys. Do like, comment and share. Hope you guys like it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.